image shown in color plate is, so if you see, this is the handle of the burr, this is going to be the shank, and this is going to be the head of the burr here, and this is going to be the blade actually, or the head itself. And in this you'll be seeing there are small serrations. Okay, so this is nothing but the transmetal burr. So I should tell you about the transmetal burr. So this transmetal, as the name itself indicate, it cuts through the metal crown. So basically it cuts through the metal crown. And if you just try to understand those burrs which cut through the metal crown, these are basically, one, we can say the Talon burr, and these are by the brand name Tri-Hawk. And then we have the transmetal burr that is manufactured by Dentistry. Okay, now these are going to be used for, yes, cutting through the metal crown. At the same time, they can be used for access opening through full coverage crown. So whenever there is full coverage crown and you want to do the access opening through this particular crown itself, then also you are going to use this particular transmetal burr. Now if I just try to give a brief review of the burrs, so the burr which are basically used for access opening, first of all we are going to use about the carbide burrs. Now in the carbide burrs you have an option called round burrs. So basically you will be using number 2, 4, 6 round burrs, and these are used for caries removal and extending the outline form of the tooth, right? So whatever cavity you are preparing, so you can use for caries removal and extending the preparation wall, extension of preparation walls. So these are two functions of the carbide burr which we should know. Now if I just try to give you an idea about the round diamond burrs, then you have the round diamond burrs, and the round diamond burrs are generally used for cutting through the porcelain crowns, and PFMs, that is porcelain fused to metal. So these are the various uses of the burrs which are used generally, and these are used for cutting the various kind of crowns. If it is a metal crown and you want to cut the metal crown, then you will be using the transmetal burr. If it is a porcelain or porcelain fused to metal, then you can use the round diamond burr for sure. So walking through the explanation quickly, burrs which are used for access cavity preparation, there can be a lot of burrs. So round carbide burrs, generally number 2, 4 and 6, these are used for caries removal and defining the external outline shape. Then if you use the round diamond burrs, these are used for the entry into the teeth with porcelain or ceramo metal, that is your PFM restoration, and the transmetal burrs for teeth with metal restoration. So whenever there is metal restoration, you can use the transmetal burr. So if you see here, this is the transmetal burr. Generally this is going to be the golden here, and then you have the Talon crown cutting burr. So here it generally looks like Talon here, and that is also used for cutting the metal restoration or metal full coverage crowns. So this is about the transmetal burr. So answer is going to be your first one, that is your transmetal burr.